Hello everyone. So we were organizing stuff in the house. So the closet, the bedroom, and we got a new bed. We were able to finally to assemble it. So now I'm going to get couple steaks and come back. We will go to where?
King's Dominion.
King's Dominion. Oh my god, this car is so dirty. Go wash it. So just quick update on the hunting thing. So I've been chasing this deer for about a year. First time I saw the deer was last season and he was young, so I gave him pass and trying to get him this season. So during the year, this like the past year, I set up multiple cameras and I start following his path. I caught him on multiple cameras, so this is one of the footage on my camera number one. And as you see, he's still young. So I was able to see his path, like his trail. And during my scout, I found a lot of rubs, a lot of signs of him, and I caught him multiple times on camera. As you see on Onyx, so he's moving from south to north, which he pretty much he going from the bedding area and walk downhill, uphill, and go to the state park, which is state park. There's a like an open field. I think it's a cornfield. So he go eat over there, then he return back to the bedding area. So yesterday I actually went hunting. I went to my ladder stand, which I put it on one of his trail. It's the edge of the property, and pretty much I thought I'm gonna cut him like this at that spot. So what happened? Well, the weather was good, wind was good, like it was really good. It was a clear weather. I was looking to my right side all the time because I was expecting he's coming from the bedding area to the feeding area, which I turned left and I saw him about 40 to 50 yards. It was a thick wood. I wasn't able to take a shot. So he walked really behind me back to the bedding area, which is unusual. The time he's supposed to leave the bedding area, go to the state park or to the cornfield. So I tried to get him closer, but he just walked. He just went back to the bedding area. I wait, hoping that he's gonna come back. He didn't come back. I was looking to my right side all the time because I hear some movements. And I turned left. I saw like a really nice buck to my left side, about 30 to 40 yards. Then he walked to the area behind me. I will try again. So here's the thing. I still have the ladder stand. I have the box stand. and I use the saddle. So during archery season, I pretty much use the ladder stand or mostly the saddle. If I want to like switch multiple locations based on the wind, like if the wind is not good, I will use the saddle and like go in the area where the wind is in my favor. But yesterday the wind was perfect, so I used the ladder stand. He walked by me, right behind me, and I wasn't able to take a shot. So during the rifle season or muzzle loader season, so I prefer to use the box stand because it's at the end of the property close to the state park. So I prefer to use the rifle because I can drop this deer on the spot. With the archery, he's gonna run about, if he run over 100 yards to the, or actually 100 yards north, so I'm gonna lose him. So he's gonna go to the state park or he's gonna go to the other property. There's two properties behind me and a state park on my left. So I'm going to lose him. So I'm not gonna take a risk at that area, not until the rifle season. Because rifle season, most of my experience when I shoot a deer is like maybe 7-10 yards and it's gonna drop. I will wait for the box stand for now, but most definitely I'm gonna try again with my saddle or my ladder stand. So I just got here to wash the car and then we'll go back and cook. Well, just finished washing the car, going back home. I will do dinner, then we will go to King's Dominion. Long ride and long day, we are here at
King's Dominion.
So they have a haunted Halloween today from 7 o'clock to midnight
For a whole week.
for the whole week, but yeah, but we always come here at 9 o'clock because we don't want to face a long line or something like that. We were here last year, and of course we're gonna be here the whole week. Okay, this year, last year we were here, I believe they have like 5-6 haunted house,
7
maybe,
Yeah.
something like that. But this year we'll show you every single one and we will tell you which one is the best.
Yeah.
All right, so let's see.
It's scary. Oh my god.
Oh, that's my favorite.
Mama.
Mama.
I'm good, thanks.
Whoa. Whoa.
Oh my god, this is
Oh, you're too close here.
Look at someone in here? What the?
Oh my
Oh
god.
my god, it's so dark here. It's so dark here. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Why? You never know which one is the real ghost.
Yeah, it's so dark.
There might be some real ghosts in here, but we don't know.
Look at this. Oh my goodness. He's
So
right
we're
there.
pretty much walking in the village.
All right, so we finished the first one. Let's see this. Come here. Oh, goodness.
It's like they are in the palace, something like that. They're like a princess.
Well, we just finished King's Dominion. We checked pretty much. We actually didn't finish all the haunted houses.
I think there's still more.
There's still more. So the one we went into, they not allow camera to go in. It's super dark inside, and they are afraid people is gonna use the phone flashlight. So we will come back before they finish the event.
We'll
and
finish them all.
finish them all. So until the next time.
See you. Bye.